Okay, in this video we're going to be doing a wee bit of shed tidy up. I want to move some racking from the shed behind me here to the shed behind me here. So most of this here will be in time lapse, but I hope you enjoy the video. So this is the piece of racking here. You'll know this part of the shed here where we've been working made the bench, but we've racking at the back that we can't really get at. We've racking at the front which is kind of full of stuff, but we want to put this racking in the other shed, which if I just nip over to it here. Oh, it's full of stuff now. I'm going to put the racking over here in this part here, so I'll need to clear this out first to get the other bit of racking in. And as you can see, it's full of stuff, so we'll make enough stuff for another dump run. The roof looks a wee bit wet, but it's actually dry because it's well covered, and it's been drying out for a few months because it was very damp and I had to put a new cover on the roof. First I need to make some space. Well, if you don't look too much to the right, we have, this is where just these boards on this platforms to set stuff on. But with enough space here to bring in some set shelves out of the other shed. I'm going to clear them and do that now. Okay, this here all now is going to get cleared out. I'll set these boxes all outside. Okay, so the shelves fit in okay. Maybe need to take those bits of wood out from them below because it makes it a wee bit unstable, so I'll pull those out. And in the, oh, don't look at that, in the other shed. There's space here, and if you're wondering why I'm doing this, I want to use more of the height in the other shed, but as well as that, I'm going to pull this shelf on round. And then that will allow me to continue the workbench across the back of the shed and build some shelving in there. Because one of these shelves are good on their own, but because they don't fit the width of the shed in any way, they do waste a lot of space. So I'll bring some of the stuff back in here to set it there until we can get this shelf moved, and then that'll be it ready to build another of these shelves here. Look, okay, there's a lot to do in here, but already, you know, haven't used all the shelves there. It's just cool. Need to get in this shed sorted out, but I think Dolly Parton said one shed at a time, didn't she? So we're already using more height in here than we were, but and everything that was in the shelves in the other shed has been put in again. We just have 3 boxes stacked up here. I'm convinced there's stuff in here. We'll be able to go to the dump, and that'll clear some space there, and we'll move these shelves around. So look, that's the end of the video. It's just a quick bit of tidying up. Next time we'll maybe get this other shelf moved around. We'll see what we can find in these other boxes, and then start measuring up for the new shelving in the back of the shed. So thanks very much for watching the video if you watched it this length, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.